You know how hard it can be to maximize the space when you want to park as close as possible as a trailer, but you don't want to scratch your bumper, you don't want to damage anything. So today I will make a post that will make parking my truck close to the trailer way easier. So let's jump to it straight away. So the only thing you need is a pool noodle, which is about $5 or something like that. I have an extra piece of copper pipe, but you can use pretty much anything at this point. For this copper pipe, I will use a 5/8 drill bit, a drill, and 2 pieces of scrap of wood. As you can see, it took me about 5 minutes, just a bunch of scrap. So let's go and install it. As you can see, it's now very easy to park my truck without touching the tip of my trailer, and it costs me nothing. It's a bunch of crap, but even if you need to buy those things, it will cost you about 20 bucks, and you will be able to park your vehicle without scratching your bumper. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.